Hi up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to translate in Telegram application. Yes guys, you hear good. Now you have the option for translating directly through Telegram. What you need to do, just simply go on the three dots on your left upper side and then select the settings side. Right after that, just scroll down, and on the settings side you need to choose the last selection that says language. Click on it, and here on the first side, as you can see, you have a show translate button. As you can see, it is turned off. We need to turn it on, and now we need to choose the language that needs to be translated. In this case, we'll go with Deutsch. Now, as you can see guys, everything has been changed. Everything is on German. I need to show you that also everything is on German. Go to settings, to the language. I'm sorry, I don't understand Deutsch or German. I need what to do right now, just get back to English, and it's done guys. Now with this you know how to translate in Telegram application. Now you can use it, the latest version of Telegram, and make it possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys. Have a nice day.